Okay, so this next clip is going to look at the straight leg shimmy, and it's going to layer different movements from slides to medium circles to the Egyptian 8 and undulations. So this will be our layering chapter. Let's start, and this is only straight leg shimmy. So feet in first position, weight slightly forward on the balls. First things first, let's look at our straight leg shimmy. Weight is slightly forward. We pump the knees fairly quickly forward and back, releasing the thighs and releasing the pelvis. So everything is shaking, upper body is not involved. Nice rib cage and beautiful arms. Making sure those legs are straight, not bent, and there is a full range of motion in those knees. Good. Now let's do a little exercise. I want you to put all your weight on your right leg and only pump your right leg. I want you to feel how that feels. Feel how that feels. Is it comfortable? Is it spastic? How does it feel? Remember it, and now go ahead and do the same thing on the left leg. All the weight on the left and pump the left leg. I want you to see which leg is your strong leg and which leg is the weaker leg, which you'll have to practice more with. Good. And both together. Good. And release. So practicing with one leg at a time is a great way to strengthen those shimmies. We usually have one leg that's stronger than the other, and this can throw off our balance. So if your left leg is a little bit weaker, practice just shimmying your left leg throughout the day to gain that control and that endurance. Very nice. Now let's apply some movements here. Give me the straight leg shimmy, nice and relaxed. It doesn't have to be full speed. And I want you to mess around with your weight change. I want you to slide right and left. It's a typical hip slide, you know it. Right, good. And left. Let's go a little faster. And right and left. So you're transferring the weight in the lower body from side to side, and you're pumping the knees simultaneously to get a straight leg shimmy with a hip slide. This is the basic. This is what I want you to practice most. This will bring about other movements, which we'll look at in a moment. Side and side. Good. Side and side. Last. 5 and 6, 7, and release. Good. Come center. Again, give me that straight leg shimmy. Now weight change. Forward and back. Very small weight on the toes. Weight on the heels. The knees are still pumping. Give me forward and back. Let's put it together for the medium circle. Side and forward. Side and back. Let's go faster. Give me side, forward, side, smooth it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Circle, circle, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's try it the other direction. And forward and back. Good. Forward. Keep that medium hip circle under control. Pump those knees. Forward. Breathing with it. Forward and back. Last time. And release. Excellent. Take a deep breath here. Let's keep going. Back to the straight leg and give me slides. Right and left. Good. Faster. Right and left. Now we're going to go from here into the Egyptian figure 8. Add a little twist. Right and left. Try it. Right and left. Keep it very small. Good. Twisting right and left. Twist it right and left. Good. It's right hip, it's left hip. Good. So your weight is still changing. You're pumping your knees and you're twisting back and back. Good. Figure 8. Take some practice, I know, getting used to. Last time. And release. Take a deep breath. Excellent. Now all of these you'll have to practice over and over again. Do them, and with time they'll get stronger. Let's go ahead and finish this, and I'd like to see the undulation from top to bottom with the straight leg shimmy. Let's turn on a slight angle. Give me the shimmy. It's a little bit different. Usually we're facing forward. Slight angle, low level arms, second position. Keep the shimmy pumping. Lift and roll. Lift and roll. Good. So this one's probably the most challenging. Transferring the weight forward and back, lifting, pulling the belly in. Lift, pull it in. And lift, pull it in. Good. Pump, pump, pump. The knees will soften as you go back, and that's fine. Lift and roll. Good. Lift and roll. Undulate forward. Pull that navel in. Lift and roll. Lift and roll. And 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale and shake it out. Good. So keep practicing those. Both knees at the same time, one knee at the same time, and start with your slides first, and then start to venture out into other areas. Very good.